I'm Jolie.
I'm Mark, Gabriel's dad.
Yeah, today we're at Ebac and we're here for Gabriel and his love of washing machines. He's just fascinated with how they work.
Gabriel's love of washing machines started from an early age. When he was born, he was interested in wheels. He used to turn cars upside down. Then from the age of about 2, he started taking up the washing machine at home. He started opening the door, getting his hand in, spinning the drum round. Then he started doing our washing. He dragged the washing downstairs on his own, 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, get the powder in and actually put the washing machine on itself.
I've been enjoying myself today, seeing a whole washing machine.